In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store receipts in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your receipts organized is a big part of staying on top of your business finances. When your receipts are saved properly, it becomes much easier to track expenses, support your deductions at tax time, and answer any questions from your accountant or bookkeeper. QuickBooks Online has a built-in receipts feature that lets you store and manage those documents right inside your books, so you don't have to keep stacks of paper or dig through old emails. Let's start inside your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, look for either the Banking tab or the Transactions tab. Different layouts may show one or the other, but they both get you to the same place. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the Banking or Transactions page, you'll see several options across the top. Find the one labeled Receipts and select it. This is the central hub where all of your uploaded receipt images and files will live. On the Receipts page, you'll notice a large area where QuickBooks prompts you to upload your files. You have two simple options here. The first is to use drag and drop. If you already have your receipts saved on your computer, maybe on your desktop or in a specific folder, you can click and hold your mouse on one or more files, drag them over to the upload area in QuickBooks, and then release. QuickBooks will automatically begin uploading and processing those receipts. The second option is to click the Browse button. When you select Browse, a file window opens, allowing you to choose where your receipts are stored. You can navigate through your computer folders, or, if you keep your documents online, you can connect and select files from Google Drive. Once you find the receipt file you want, click on it and confirm the upload. You can repeat this as many times as you need for additional receipts. QuickBooks Online accepts several common file types, including PDF, JPEG, GIF, and PNG. If your receipt is in one of these formats, you're good to go. If it's not, you may want to quickly convert it or take a screenshot and save it in one of these supported types before uploading. After your files are uploaded, QuickBooks will start reading the information from each receipt so you can review and categorize it later. For now, you've successfully stored your receipts in QuickBooks Online, making them easy to find and reference whenever you need them.